You guys. So now this out, we're gonna bend this back. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by guys. If you see me online, just don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Pop this out. This in the corner there. And then we're taking out this 19. Just as I know that they're hard to move. Like the other side. Okay. That's one. And guys, we have to move these if we want to take out the rotor. So two. There. We can break the bolts now. Calipers off. So now, as you can see, this one popped out. So we're good now. So, I say guys, we still have these bolts. And don't worry about that fire guys, it's just the thing burning off. You guys just stop burning out. Okay, easy. And guys, just let it. You just let it do its thing. Not gonna panic. So you just stay for the fire. That's it. Be careful with the smoke, guys. So get one out, two out, and the rotor pop right off. Just like this. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing guys. We have a lot of things in store for everybody. So now we get that out, we can set that aside, click the bolt out, put the lube on top, one side, put back the nut. It's a good habit to keep it. And then you shake this out a little bit, get that one out. Now it's hanging by the top. And then this guys, you gotta be careful here. So we have one bolt here that pries it up. So, and then we pry this down. There we go, guys. There we go. So I take it out with the link because we changed the link, so we just need to disconnect the bottom one. But I'm gonna be grinding off that top on this side. We're gonna put it this side and we're gonna grind that thing's right there. So I say guys, we're gonna put a bungee in this. I'll just hang it there for now because we don't want to stretch that wire too much and cause the damage the sensor, because you always get the AB lights like